In this video, I'm going to announce a massive bonus for anyone that is yet to purchase Publisher Rocket. Now, for those of you that haven't yet purchased Publisher Rocket, this could be an absolute game changer for you. So let me share with you what this massive bonus is and how you can effectively use Publisher Rocket to publish your books successfully with Amazon KDP. Hello and welcome. My name is Romney from Global Self-Publishing. Now what I'm going to do, and it's a very exclusive offer, is that anyone that uses my affiliate link in the description below to purchase Publisher Rocket for the first time will receive my best-selling course, which has over 4,000 students on it, absolutely free. Now this course is valued at $99. So if you purchase Publisher Rocket, which is $97, you also get a $99 free course, which is a 5-hour course all about publishing low and no content books on Amazon KDP. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you do scroll down and click on my affiliate link. What then will happen is once you've purchased Publisher Rocket, you'll receive an automated email, and that will give you directions on how to claim your free 5-hour course. Now, as I've just said, over 4,000 students have participated in this course, and it's got a 4.5 star rating on udemy.com. So it's absolutely something that provides benefit and knowledge and my experiences all rolled into one that will help you for the long term. So make sure you take advantage of that. Now, what I also want to do in this video is to show you some further benefits of Publisher Rocket and why it's my go-to when I look for keyword research, looking for different categories, but also helping with my Amazon ads. So let's get onto that right now. One way I've been able to keep my ACoS low has been by using Publisher Rocket to get keywords for my Amazon advertising. Because when you open up Publisher Rocket, there's a section called AMS Keyword Search. So you can use this for your books, for your Amazon campaigns, to ensure that you're getting the right keywords and using them for ASIN campaigns as well. So that is using the actual ASIN number from competitors' books, and you can actually have your books align with them as well. So if I was to have Digger Books for Kids, and I go get them Rocket, then what this would provide are keywords that customers are using to search for these kinds of books, and it also provides my competitors' books. So the ASIN number, you need to use the one with the B in front of it. The ISBN won't work in Amazon ad campaigns, but the ASIN number will. So if you scroll down, you can grab those, you can do an export, and you can export all this data, and you can go down and you can see the different keywords that people are using as well. So these might be great ones that you can use as part of your search. So this is a keyword search, and you've got the author name as well. So these are the search results. So that's one way you can use Publisher Rocket for your Amazon ads, is to use that AMS Keyword Search tool. But what about if we just want to do some initial keyword search? So if we were to use the same thing, I might go back, books for kids, then this will actually give us a bit of a look at the competitiveness of this within the field. Now what I would probably recommend is keeping this as short as possible. So this gives us a competitive score of 53. So it's moderately competitive, but what we're looking for is something closer to 10 maybe. So if we went back and we did a new search, but we just did Digger Books, this will actually bring up a lot more. So it gives us more options. So the shorter your keywords are that you're searching for, the more results it generally gives. So if we click here and search through all these sections right here, we're looking for competitive scores closer to 15 or 10, 15 or 20. So at the moment, it's pretty much too competitive. So we might get rid of that section there. If we were to go to Amazon and were to have a look through different books that we might be looking at publishing, let's go business and money. We might go to kids. Let's try education. We might try this. Let's go I'm going to go back up here and I go kids books about investing. See what comes up here. So we got 737 results. Let's see if this comes up in Publisher Rocket. So we go here, let's do a new search, and we put that in. It might be a bit long. We might keep this a bit shorter and see what the results are. It's 21, that's pretty good. Good monthly earnings. Number of competitors is pretty low. So that could be something that you could look into. It's got a great number of searches as well. So kids books about investing. Maybe if we do kids money, and let's see what this comes up with. So you can write these into your spreadsheet if you have a spreadsheet to track niches. I've got one which is free on my website, globalselfpublishing.com. So if you go through here, let's just open up a few of these and see what the results are. We go kids. Let's have a look at these. Kids money dress, not sure what that is. Kids money envelopes for cash, not quite sure either. Kids money jacket. So there's a lot of things here, but what I'd probably do is go down kids money workbook. Let's see what that is. 44, that's not too bad. Keep going down. Kids learn money. Money colouring book. Kids and money books. So these have got really good searches. The competitive score's not too bad, but if we go and search a bit closer and find out what these books are all about. So that's the power of Publisher Rocket. You can go in here and have a look and see the age of the book. That's the number of days. It's doing 3,353 monthly sales, daily sales 146. You can keep going down here and having a look at any that you think are performing quite well. The Money Ninja. What is money? So this is, actually what we might do is look at the age. Let's have a look at the young one. So let's load more. And we'll see if there's anything that's coming up that's a little bit less. 85, 687. So that one's quite young. It's doing $1,201. Let's have a look and go check it out. So we then go into Amazon. We can see what the paperback is. We can also have a look at the book and see what's in there. We can see the review. If we keep going down, they've done some A+ content. Ranked at 45,000, so ranked really, really well. And you can see the different reviews. And this is great because you actually get feedback about what people love about the book. And you might be able to go in there and work out a way that you can also create a book about financial literacy for children. And it looks like it's a niche that needs some more books in it. And that's the great thing about Publisher Rocket, is you can dig around, you can find out about this stuff. So let's go kids books about investing. So let's copy that. Let's go back into Amazon. And we can see those results. And we can scroll down. We can have a look at other books here and how they're tracking as well. So Money Ninja, it's ranked at 30,000. We've got my first book of Money Basics. That could be something which might be easy to do. And it looks like it's quite simple as well. It's got 11 ratings, $7.99. This will give you a little bit of a look inside. I think this is something that you could easily make. It's ranked 136, 34 pages, so not very big. It was published last year, at this time last year. And it's got some reviews here, some not so good, some pretty good. So that might be an opportunity for you to delve into that kind of market. So let's go back into here again and let's find out, let's go about the categories. What categories are these in at the moment and how competitive are they? So sales to number 1, 5, but that's commercial policy. We don't want to go into that. Finance books are usually pretty hard to get into in regards to the categories. That still wouldn't stop me from publishing a book in this area. I just wanted to show you quickly around Publisher Rocket what you can do on Publisher Rocket, unleashing the categories, tutorials, different category searches as well. So that was just a very quick look at Publisher Rocket, and within 7 or 8 minutes we've been able to look at different niches, and we've been able to find different keywords through AMS Keyword Research that you can actually use for your campaigns as well. So I highly recommend you look more into Publisher Rocket to see if that would be an excellent time saver and a great way to expand your publishing by using this powerful tool. I hope this video was informative and you get to use Publisher Rocket the best way possible, because it really is an amazing tool to save you a significant amount of time, get the keywords that you need, get the categories that you need, and do that niche research, plus also those important keywords for Amazon advertising. Remember to utilize my link, get my free best-selling course, my 5-hour course with over 20 resources for absolutely free when you use my affiliate link. So just scroll down to the description and you can see that there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to sharing with you more details in a future video. Until then, goodbye.